A very good morning to all. Welcome to maths class. In the previous class, we have studied about the area of a square and rectangle. Now today we are going to study to find out area of another geometrical figure, and that geometrical figure is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is obtained when we cut a square. Now, how to form a right angle triangle? Basically, if we cut a square, you can see you get a right angle triangle, and again when we join them, this is how they form a rectangle. The sides of the length P and Q form the right angles of the triangle are also ones that form the sides of the rectangle. You can see how two right angles form the rectangle. Now area of a rectangle will be 2 into area of right angle triangle. Now P into Q is the area of a rectangle, which is equal to 2 into right angle triangle. Now area of a right angle triangle is equal to P into Q upon 2. How did we get P into Q? Length into breadth of a rectangle. So area of a right angle triangle is half into product of sides forming a right angle. A right angle is an triangular figure whose one angle is compulsory 90, and the side opposite to the 90 degree is called as the hypotenuse, and the remaining two sides are the sides which form a right angle. So area of a right angle triangle is half into product of the sides forming the right angle. If one of the sides of a right angle forming right angle is taken to the base, the other becomes the height of the triangle. Thus area of a right angle triangle can also be taken as half into base into height. Base is the place where the right angle triangle is taken down, kept. If any triangle ABC, then any side can be taken as base. Then the measure of the perpendicular on the base from the apex opposite to it, it is the height of the triangle. Take any triangle PQR and take QR as the base. PM is perpendicular from P on QR. Now in the figure you can see point M is in segment QR. So triangle PMR and triangle PMQ are right angled triangles. So area of triangle PQR will be area of triangle PMQ plus area of triangle PMR. Now area of PMQ is half into length QM into length PM, whereas for PMR it is half into MR into PM. So half common, which is equal to length of QM plus MR into PM. Now QM plus MR is QR. So half into length QR into length PM, which is equal to half into base into height. So for any triangle, the formula of its area is half into base into height. Take any triangle PQR and take QR as the base. PM is perpendicular from P on QR. Point M is outside segment QR. Triangle PMR and PMQ are right angled triangles. So area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PMR minus PMQ. Now for PMR it is half into MR into PM, and for PMQ it is half into MQ into PM. Now MR minus MQ multiply by length PM, half you take as it is. So what I get is half length QR into length PM, which is again equal to half into base into height. So area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. So wherever the point M lies, basically area of a triangle is half into base into height. So area of a right angle triangle and area of a triangle. But for area of a right angle triangle, it is the sides forming the right angle. If the sides that form a right angle of a triangle are 4.5 and 5.6 centimeter long, find the area of a triangle. Now we know area of a right angle triangle is half into product of the sides forming right angle, which is equal to half into 4.5 into 5.6. This is further equal to 1 upon 2 into 25.2, which is equal to 12.6 square centimeter. Since the units are centimeter, area will be measured in square centimeter. If the base of a triangle is 6.8 centimeter and height is 5.2, what is its area? Now area of a triangle, we know it is half into base into height. You can see the base and the height of the triangle. So area of a triangle, half into base into height, which is equal to half into 6.8 into 5.2, which is further equal to half into 35.36, which is further equal to 17.68 square centimeter. Since the units are given in centimeter, so area of a triangle will be square centimeter. So you can see, since the units are in centimeter, the area of the triangle is also in centimeter square. So children, you have to make a note. Based on the given units, we are going to calculate the area of the given figure. There is a difference between the unit in perimeter and area. I repeat again. Perimeter, since it is sum of all the sides, we are going to use the unit given as it is. But when it is area, the units of area are meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square. So we have to keep in mind that perimeter and area have two different units, and area is always measured in square units. Like whenever, if it is centimeter, it is square centimeter. If it is meter, it is square meter. If it is kilometer, it is square kilometer. I hope I am clear with the concept of area. Thank you.